Mama? Ayaw magnap, ha? Oh, ayaw niya magnap ng baby na to. Ay. Say morning, guys. Good morning, Sawa. It's my nap time, guys. Ang ilong. Agay-agay. Mommy. She already closed the blinds because she's going for a nap. Baby sleep?
No.
Why not?
Here, mommy. Here, mommy.
What would you like Mama to do?
Here.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang naka. Hoy.
Mama.
Yes, princess.
Mama.
You want me to lay down there? Do you want me to lay down there? Yeah?
Mommy!
You dropped out of Paris before?
Mama!
Morning? Yes? Okay. I'm gonna lay down here. Lay down here. Okay. Happy? Happy? What would you like now? What would you like? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. What would you like?
No, Mama.
What would you like?
Mama.
Go ba? Tulog ko na to. Celine is now having a nap.
Sorry,
Finally nakatulog din, guys.
Trust me, that was intentional.
But daddy pa more.
Magically
Para makatulog.
Magic offer to you in front of
I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make some ramen.
Someone just offered me.
And bago akong dating from Korea. Hindi ko mabasa. Korean lang talaga siya. May iba kasi naka-English pero ito siya Korean talaga lahat. Dalawa yung lulutuin.
I guarantee you think that's what
Tapos ito.
Sorry. What am I saying?
Hindi ko na naluto.
That's not again, I'll say.
Oh, hang on.
What shot?
Oh, yeah. Tingnan nyo, August. Last month pa. Have to throw them away now. Kasi wala naman. Sana akong mag-vlog. Tingnan nyo nga ang aking pagmumukha. Ang aking bugok. But then, I realized na this afternoon, meron kaming, teacher, parents interview sa school ni Ate Paris. And, it's very, exciting kasi akala ko ako lang yung pupunta. But then, Daddy Mike said, take the parang hour off para we will go together. Obviously, he's very interested to hear kung ano man yung sasabihin ng teacher niya at Paris about Paris, yung learning niya, how is she at school, kung ano yung dapat i-improve yung mga ganun. So, it's only like a quick 15 minutes interview with a teacher, but it means a lot for us parents. We'd love to know how our at Paris is going sa school niya. So, sabi ko mag-vlog ako. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. After nito ay magre-ready ako. And, sukay ng buhok. My God. Pasensyahan nila, guys. Tingnan niya, may marunong nang magpili ng kanyang damit. Ito yung gusto ko ipasok. How about you wear this one? Huh? Ayaw niya talaga, guys. Ayaw niya mukha. How about this one? This is nice.
No, one.
This is, see? Pink flamingo.
No.
Which one you like?
I like that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, why that one?
I like that one.
Why that one?
I like that one.
Huh?
Come on. Come on.
Is it dry now? Sabi ko, basa pa yan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo yan masusuot pa. Ay, umiyak lagi siya. Ay, gusto niya lumabas.
Me. One.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Then this one?
Another one.
Tingnan nyo guys. Alam nyo, kasi may Princess Sophia.
Me.
Is that you?
You, Nini.
Is that Lini?
Yeah.
Kawawa naman ng batang ito eh. Ito na lang pasuot eh. Malaki pa sa kanya na gusto niya talagang suotin. Okay. Off?
Okay. Nini's.
You happy now?
Yeah.
Show me your happy face. Show me your happy face. Okay, let's go change.
Me, Aman.
Okay, this one lagi. This one. Come, go. Go first. Hey. Alam niyo ba, Ate Paris, hindi siya ganyan before. Pinapapili niya ako kung anong gusto ko. Ngayon, ito siya, very
Mama.
strong-willed.
Yes.
This one dress, okay, sit down on the couch. Sit down on the couch. We'll change your nappy and put the purple princess dress on. Not this one.
Huh.
Huh.
There.
Yeah, that one. Okay, sit down on the couch. Puling-ling. Sit down on the couch.
Man.
And then sit down on the couch. We'll change your dress. Let's go. Abti kasi inday. Oy, kay princess. Do you really like this one, La?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
Yeah.
Why do you like it? Why do you like this dress?
Yes.
Because? Say earring. Can you say earring? Can you say earring?
No. I haven't.
Say e.
Haven't.
Can you say e?
I say haven't.
Because
Haven't.
earring nagapos.
No. Me.
What?
Here.
I think it's gonna be fine.
There.
You wanna wear this now?
Yeah.
Can you wear it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Okay.
How about you wear the pelican dress today?
Not there.
We're going to playgroup tomorrow. This is what you're gonna wear. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. Tingnan nyo, ang dress ay malaki pa talaga sa kanya.
Mama, I never.
Yeah, what happened?
Here.
Yeah, this one up little bit there. Pero, good girl. Alam niyo ba, pagkalabas namin ha, ay, nung papalabas kami, nakita niya yung pink na crocs na may mga Disney princesses din, guys. Umiyak siya kasi gusto yung suotin na naman. Sabi ko, anak, nakasuot na yung isang sapatos mo na. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? That's the car. Yes, come on. Get in the car.
Here.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Celine gonna pick up Ate Paris there. Aalis na kami ni Baby Celine. Magdadrive kami, guys. Si Daddy Mike ay susunod na lang kasi kailangan namin pick upin si Ate Paris after school, which is 3 o'clock. Tapos yung interview naman with the teacher is 3:30. So, alangan namang maghintay pa doon na 30 minutes si Daddy Mike. So, oh, don't touch. Let's start yan. So, sabi niya, susunod na lang siya. Kami, pick up sa Ate Paris. And then, we'll just see Daddy Mike there in half an hour. Nagdala na rin ako nito. May swimming class sa Ate Paris this afternoon at 4:20. So, just, yeah, straight after nag-interview, diretso na kami sa kanyang swimming school. Nandito na lahat. Doon ko na siya bibilisan ng kanyang pang-swimming. Towels, extra clothes. Sit down na on your car seat. Have a look. Tita can see you, oh. Lin. Puling-ling. See? Tita can see you. Sige na. Kaya alam dito mo doon sa parkingan. Super lovely day today, guys. It's 27 degrees. Kagabi, it was like raining, heavy, thunder, lightning, lahat na kagabi. But today, see, buti na lang sa gabi siya nangyayari yung mga ganun. So, during the day, we can enjoy, you know, like, wearing like this. Like, medyo naka-ano lang ako, naka-maxi dress. Sige na, sita na mama. So we can go. Would you like to watch Pumpkin? Nabuang ko, guys. So, nag-drive na ako. Nakalimutan ko yung camera dyan. Naka-on pa. Ay, lumilipad ang utak ni mami niya.
A few moments later.
Now picking, honey girl. How's your day, my love? Come this way. Nagsugok-sugok ka na Enday. Nagkakalabas lang ni Ate Paris, guys. Hintayin lang namin si Daddy Mike dito. Now we'll go see her teacher. Oh, no picking, okay? Leave the flower. Come on, sweetie girl. Hey, you're not allowed there. This garden.
Mom,
this way.
You're allowed.
Shall we go next to the gate? Wait for Daddy.
No.
Lini? No, pushing ate lang. Ah. Mura kita siya kurek ay. Sa guyod lagi. We've got some new books here, guys, from Dylan. So, yung mama ng friend ni Ate Paris. She gives us these books for baby Celine. Kasi hindi na daw ginagamit ng and nilagay ko rin sa box, guys, papuntang Pinas pag hindi nabasa na or hindi na kailangan baby Celine. No, it's not, honey. It's similar. Tignan nyo, oh, hilig gini magpuan, eh. Punit-punit. This way palangga. Come on, let's go at the gate. We'll wait for Daddy. Oh, do you wanna check your height? Wanna check your height? Nini, let's check your height. Come on. Careful. Look, Ate Paris is very tall now. Careful, don't run, anak. Ah. See? Look, Ate Paris. Stand straight, my love. Wow. Uy. See, mamira lang lagi kalit, ah. Wow. Check. Wow, 80 point. 80 point. Oh, where did you get that from?
I found it.
Where?
It was already on the floor.
Okay. As long as you did not pick it. Tingnan nyo, may nagbabasa lang ng libro. Gatekeepers. Ah, dito namin hintayin si Daddy Mike. He's walking.
Can you pick up my my hair clip, please?
Yes.
It's right there.
Just because you said please. Okay, sit down properly, Nini. Here, open it lang. Oh, actually, close it. No one's here.
No, I'm not gonna, just in case.
Just in case.
I raised sword up today.
Oh, did you see Auntie Amy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you say hi?
Yeah.
That's good.
Definitely.
No. Definitely. Are you happy to see Irene?
I see in here.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yung best friend niya, guys, interview nila kaninang umaga dito kasi mag-transfer na yung best friend niya dito. So hopefully she'll go the same classroom.
Because she come in our class.
Did she? Do you reckon she'll go in your classroom, PBM?
Hopefully, I know she is, because if she meets in our class, that means she's in our class.
Do you reckon?
Yep. Because that's what happened to Janika
Oh, really?
when she was actually a new person.
Ah, really?
Yep, so
Interesting.
definitely she's gonna be in our class.
Careful.
Because the person that's new and they're in their class.
Yeah, it means that's her class.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Lang, agoy lang. Ayaw lang. Ginoo ko lang.
No.
Are you in person? Hi! Hi!
Amado.
Amada. Oh. Naunsa naman na imong haircut lang?
Ano siya? He's over there. Milo. Have a look.
I know. See? Daddy's here.
I'm gonna hide.
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. I'm very excited, guys, to hear
I just honey.
whatever the teacher gonna say.
I just one. But I
You know,
just
like,
honey.
it's very nice to like hear feedback. Could be bad or good. In between, doesn't matter. Come on, here, honey. Go, Daddy. Go. Go, Ati. Don't hide there, anak. Might be car coming. Go, Celine's going now. Oopsie. Lynn, did you fall? What again?
A mile away.
Huh?
I can see it happening because I've seen her shoes.
Yeah, no.
My dress catching under her shoe. Hello, Baba.
The first one's not even healed yet.
On my hand.
My room is over there.
You going? You a good girl?
Paris,
Wow.
have you been a good girl?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what the teacher says. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Are you confident you being a good girl?
Yes.
Did you see Iron Belly Paris? You did? Was she okay?
Who's in our room? That means she's gonna be in our class.
What are you expecting from this study? Daddy, what are you expecting?
My daughter to be perfect. She's my daughter, aren't you? Are you going swimming today?
Yes, yeah.
Are you coming?
No.
That is working.
Seems like because she's here.
Yeah, but that is to go back to work.
Or his boss will get so angry.
Wait.
Thank you, Daddy.
There, baby.
No, I'll do it. I'll make him funny.
It's okay.
We will rub it with a leaf, okay?
Red bandage and a kiss just right will make the boo-boo feel alright. Yay! Go to daddy. Follow daddy. Careful! Sabi pa niya guys, Mommy, wait!
Carrie?
Hmm?
Carrie.
Carrie?
Carrie. Carrie. Carrie.
Carrie! Carrie! I love you, anak ko. Ate is done.
Give Ati cuddles. Come on. She's giving cuddles.
Lily, long. Cuddles. She said cuddles.
Dada, Carrie.
No.
1, 2, 3. Zoom.
How fast, but
Mommy.
Hmm? Lily. Ling, we're not allowed there lang. Shh. Momo na sad.
Grandma made a bite.
Ate. Yes, Celine. I hurt my knee outside today. Aw. Better na?
You're amazing.
Jojo, I wasn't lying.
I knew you were Paris. I never doubted you.
Good girl, honey. So we got some positive feedback for Paris. Give Daddy a kiss. Paris. We're gonna go swimming. Come on, you only have 20 minutes.
Are we walking?
Kiss. Hey.
Do you wanna bring the bag home now, Daddy?
Shall I bring it for you?
Yeah.
I just want to check on the car. Up here.
Yeah, just carry it if you can. Okay, we'll go.
Bye-bye. See you when after.
Speed it up, Paris. What driving, Paris? Swimming is just there. You're crazy.
Jojo.
Yeah, we'll change. We'll change her clothes to swimming, and then we might just skip the car here, lang, yeah. Yes, lang. Daddy going home now. He has to go back to work. Okay, go back. Go in there, lang, and change your clothes.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, mama. Nini, you don't have to change your clothes, just Ati.
Okay, mama.
Aw, thank you, my love. Such a sweet girl.
Okay, mama.
Do you need help?
No.
Are you in jail?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you asking for help?
Yeah.
Go for help. Huh? Louder. What? Ate Paris is there, guys. See? Yan siya. Oh. Swimming pa more. Swimming pa more. Say hello. Hello. It's Halloween.
Hello.
I see a ghost.
Hello.
I see a witch.
Ghost.
Ghost. Oh no. I see a witch.
Ghost.
Dinala ko siya dito, guys, kaya kahit na anuhin niya to, oh. At least hindi siya doon sa tubig. Wow, so strong. Wow, very strong, Lingling. Malapit na namang matapos yung ating, I think 5 minutes na lang. Or asa na ba? Tapos na ba?
Catch me! Mama! Catch me!
Oh, okay, ubo na lagi. Sige.
Mama!
Okay, I'm gonna catch you.
Catch me! You're going to... No! You can't catch me! No, you can't catch me!
Tapos ang mag-swimming.
Even though I'm running.
Hey, where would you like to go now?
Bakery.
Bakery.
You can't
Baby girl, where's the car?
I have to...
Lini,
You have to catch me until I
where's the
stop.
car?
You have to catch me until I stop. Yeah.
Yeah, see, Lini knows where the car is. Come on, we gotta go, because the bakery will close soon. Lini, come on, because the bakery is going to close. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Got you. Got you. Lini, come on. Come on na. Dito na kami, guys. Oh, nakpamili na kami. Mabilisan lang to, guys. Yung kailangan lang namin for tonight. Tapos nag-add na rin ako ng for tomorrow. And we're gonna have some, hindi itong beef burger. Chicken burgers with cheese for tonight. Pero it's, ano kasi, 2 for $15. So, kumuha na rin ako ng beef burger na classic. And then, my favorite butter chicken for my lunches. Ayan. Mabilis lang kapag ginutom ako and I don't really wanna cook. I also bought ano to siya? Chicken wing tips. Ayan. Lini! lalagyan ko ng crispy fry. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Parang pagkain lang sa gilid-gilid ng daan sa Pinas. My favorite. This bread, the Turkish bread, and my boiled peanuts. Hala! Na! Comfortable diyan, ha? Come on, let's go! What are you doing, ate? Mama mo, babus. Uy!
She's vlogging. Mommy!
She's vlogging.
Hello, mermaid.
Okay. My hand's itchy. I think I've got my hand.
That's you.
That's you! That's you! We're gonna have this. Why is it like this, Bob? See the...
It's just the vacuum sealed.
The teacher said, well, actually, I wasn't there in the first part of the discussion with the teacher yet, because Celine was Celine was disturbing the teacher, guys. Like, she keeps giving the teacher the bubble. What's the bubble?
Bubbles.
Yeah, the bubble. So the teacher kept stopping. So, kinuha ko si Celine. Took her to the other side of the classroom para maglaro. So what did the teacher say about the first part?
The Paris is very advanced. Like Daddy?
Bob, come on, Bob. Say it.
No, she was just saying that Paris has really improved on her writing, her speaking. She's growing in confidence, that she's ready to roll for grade 1, and just to continue with, you know, obviously whatever we're doing.
So I asked the teacher, guys, if there's anything that we can do to help Paris, and she said, like, well, it seems like you're already doing it. It's like, you know, the reading and practice writing, and everywhere we go, ma'am, Paris always, like, you know, try to read. And that she said Paris is really getting better on reading. So instead of, like, what's the word there? Like,
Reading, like she's not needing to sound out every word, like.
because remember, it's like hot before, it's like ha like that. But now when she sees it, she just like hot. Huh? H-R?
I mean H-A-R.
Hot, like, oh, don't touch that, hot.
It's H-A-R.
Paris, that's
I mean it's H-O-R.
R. Where's the R from?
Paris, you just made an arsehole of us.
Ah! I told you it's
Hot, like hot, don't touch it. Hot, how do you spell it?
Hot. It's hot weather. Okay. Hot outside. Or,
H-O-T.
yeah, Mummy looks hot. Mummy
Okay, put
looks...
this on.
Mummy is hot
I
in
can
bed.
put this on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, mate. Okay, you are.
I'm very happy with the feedback.
Me too.
Daddy kept talking. I was like, it's only 15 minutes, and Daddy kept talking. I was like,
Why? Why?
how did you do it?
Try it. Try it.
Wow, Paris, you're so good.
It's not even bowling.
What's Celine doing, Bob?
Playing with sticky tape. Standard 8 advisory.
You know, as a parent, it makes us feel good, you know, knowing that our daughter is performing well at school and, you know, definitely progressing. Like progressing from the last term. The teacher said, yeah, she's well and truly ready for grade 1. Show me your face. Then you guys, after kumain ng dinner, kumain ng kanyang cupcake. Mukha, bibi. Lala. Tingnan, okay. Celine is With Daddy na, shower. Tingnan nyo guys, ang aming mirror na nakuha namin sa daan. Oh, perfect. I really love it.
This is new.
I know, new to us. Tignan ako.
Do you know how we got it?
Ha?
Because Mommy really wanted it. And then Daddy put it behind our car.
That's right. May kasama pa itong table. 2 tables, guys. Hindi ko na, wala kaming space dito sa mga tables. Ito lang talaga yung kinuha ko kasi sobrang ganda pa.
I got Mimi.
Sige na, give it to Mama B. Finish na, bit.